the urgent matter on 3rd January for orders.
Orders.
Orders and admission. Actually, this case is after 2 weeks. 2 days not listed. So I filed the mention memo.
Have we done 4th January?
My lord,
4th of January.
photo of the must.
Item 1 for motion.
May it please your lordship. My lord, here some grazing land which are prohibited under the Assam land and policy, my lord, has been de-reserved and been given for trade purpose, personal use. And thereafter, my lord, those have been sold by them by high amount. There is some delay in challenging this, but previously there was a PIL when in a review application, my lord, the affidavit was filed by the government, then the document came into force.
Issue notice. But TK Roy, Dawsri Land Council. Issue notice. Mr. Endos, limits.
1, 2, 3, my lord.
Government advocate appears for respondents. 1, 2, and 3. How about circle officer?
Circle officer.
4. Stop. The petitioner to take steps for service of notice on respondents 5 to 11
11.
by registered post AD within 1 week from the
Obliged.
list after 4 weeks.
Obliged.
Item 2.
May I please, my lord, the petitioner before your lordship is a my lord public as well as my lord, he is a my lord, president of an my lord NGO man. He is my lord, challenging the my lord, the conduct of the and action and inaction of the my lord private respondent number 6 to 19, my lord.
Hmm.
Who my lord violating the section my lord 4 Roman 2 for the Assam Panchayat Act 1994, as well as my lord violating the section 3 of the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme 2005, my lord, misappropriating the public money, my lord, taking my lord the schemes, my lord, under the concerned Gaon Panchayat, my lord, and scheme is my lord listed from page 15 to my lord 33. And my lord, in this regard, my lord, the petitioner and public, my lord, submitted a complaint before the concerned, my lord, the respondents. But those are not taken into my lord consideration. My lord.
Oh, we can issue notice. But Mr.
AM Bodwe.
Council for petition issue notice. Who appears?
I am appearing for the Panchayat, my lord.
1 minute. You appearing and thus?
I'm for 3, my lord.
And thus, Leonard. Oh, you are appearing for Panchayat,
I am appearing for 1, 2, 4, 5,
Mr.
NK Devnath.
and get. And so, Leonard, standing council,
Yes, my lord.
Panchayat and Rural Development. Appears for 1, 2,
4, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, and 19.
Mr. Endas, Leonard, advocate appears for respond number
3, my lord.
3. Stop. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on respondent number 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18
18.
by registered post.
Right.
List after 4.
Development.
Item 3. Item 3.
WBC.
My lord, is it item number 3 going?
Item 3.
In the Punjab National Bank. Lordship, should I continue without waiting or should we pass over? They generally comes over. I've got the phone number also. If you wish, I can call them also.
Not a question of we wishing. You take up after vacation.
No, Lordship, one emergency case is there. Urgent matter is there. Physical person has been out actually.
Hmm?
Physical person date has been out actually.
When
So
is the
the physical was from 18th and from 18 onwards. 18th onwards. So we had approached the Honorable DRT court also. So we had filed one IA and also with the SA actually. So the IA, the stay was not granted actually, but it continued for the on 23rd of this February. It will they have asked for this written this one
What?
the for the written objection. So now the thing is that there is no barrier. So the bank may not come and take the physical position. Here,
Where's the notice? Where's the notice?
notice is there, my lord. Notice not. Is in annexes. Notice is there, my lord. Lordship, I'm so, I mean, the notice is there.
You're not prepared.
I am my
Where's the
Lordship.
notice?
Notice actually the thing is that notice is in annexer C actually. The page number has not yet been laid down over here.
Why?
That's our mistake, my
Then we can't
Lordship.
take up.
My lordship, if you can pass over the matter for half an hour, the opposite party will also come. Half an hour.
Not half an hour at the end of the list. Let's see.
Okay.
What?
Item 10 from supplementary list.
In this case, my lord, though writ appeal and writ petition both dismissed, my lord, but there was one observation regarding, my lord, release of outstanding amount. Contractual employee, my lord. There is in paragraph, my lord, that is 20, my lord, of the Honorable Single Bench judgment, my lord. And which is also
Page.
page, my lord, that is, my lord, page 29, my lord. Paragraph 14.
Yes.
And Honorable Single Bench judgment, my lord, page 20, paragraph 20.
Have you met your representative?
Yes, my lord, that is my page, my lord, 31 and 32. Yes, my lord. Annexure 3 and 4. Some amount, my lord, lump sum amount he will be able to get, my lord. That's why we have filed contempt.
What, mister?
Is thus.
Learned counsel for the petitioner issue notice. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on the sole respondent by registered post CD within 1 week. Release after 4 weeks.
Obliged, my lord.
They release item 4 for admission.
Let's kill it, Lordship, can kindly this matter pass for time, for timing, my lord.
How many matters are there on the list?
My lord. Because
What happened?
actually my senior is on the way, my lord. I'm saying that matter will be passed for timing.
We'll see.
Item 5.
Meet please, your lordship. Lordship, this appeal is preferred by the Union of India, lordship, Ames, lordship.
against the lordship interim order dated 6/11/23, first in WBC number amount 420/23 lordship. And similar writ appeal was also lordship admitted lordship. And if take with this matter, then I will not advance my argument. Otherwise, the issue is same lordship.
But similar matter has been already been admitted.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Google and counsel
Lordship.
for the appellant.
WA lordship.
Admits.
Writ appeal number.
Who appears, Vikramjit Datta,
You are, yes, I am appealing for.
Mr. S.K. Das. Learned counsel enters appearance on behalf of all the respondents,
No lordship, he will
Ah.
for one lordship.
Respond number one only.
on behalf of the respondent number one. That's all. Appellant to take steps for service of notice of respondents 2 and 3 by registered post.
Lordship.
Ready within 1 week, 2 weeks.
Lordship, within a period of 1 week.
Can you do it?
Well, I will take it reopening. 2 weeks,
Reopening.
2 weeks, lordship.
In a period of 2 weeks.
2 weeks, lordship.
Stop.
And my lord may take it with WA
The matter after 4 weeks, along with writ appeal number
458/2023, lordship.
458.
458.
458 of 2023.
2023.
And my lord may indicate the interim order passed in the WA will be.
Lord, already that matter is admitted, the interim order is there.
That observation, my lord may.
Nothing will happen.
Nothing will happen. Ultimately, analogous hearing has to be done. my lord.
Lordship.
Highly obliged.
Lordship. Oblige, lordship.
Item 6 for orders.
But in item 6, I is for condonation of delay,
How many days?
169 days.
Notice has to go.
Lordship.
And
This
the not the counsel for the applicant. Issue notice. Applicant to take steps for service of notice on the
on the OP1, my lord. Opposite party number one,
opposite party number 1 by registered post within.
But in other cases, lordship has direct allowed us to take dusty, my lord. I'll take dusty in this case. All other cases, my lord. We'll take dusty, my lord.
Is allowed to take steps for service of notice on the opposite party number 1 by dusty service to the registry of this court. Thereafter,
File affidavit.
the applicant shall file an affidavit to the effect.
Lord.
When did we list the other matters?
But
After
the
4
other matters, lordship, after 2 weeks, lordship has given, possibly after the vacations, it will come.
Okay.
But
After
item number 7 and 9 are similar, my lord.
Same OP1,
Same OP1.
7 and
9.
9. Okay.
Oblige, my lord.
Item 8.
We're going to finish too early. Or that we're going to do before that. Okay, yes.
May please, your lordship. Lordship, there is delay of 337 days in filing the connected writ appeal, lordship.
337.
Lordship.
Anybody appearing for the other sides?
Notice was noted.
I'm appearing for Deputy Commissioner and he is appearing for education.
You are Deputy Commissioner Golpara
Yes, list for number 5.
and you are for?
2, 3, 4, 6, and 7. Private is what? Not list 2.
You heard MS?
F enters not.
In the learner counsel for the applicant. Issue notice. MS RB Bora learned government advocate. No, sorry. MS
Say that good.
Kedas, learned standing counsel,
Elementary education,
elementary education department appears for respondents 2, 3, 4,
6, and
6
7.
and 7. And MS RB Bora learned government advocate appears for respondent number 5. Applicant to take steps for service of notice on respondent number 1, 8, and 9 by registered post AD within 2 weeks. List after 4 weeks.
Extra copy cell.
You furnish extra copy.
Extra copy.
Oblige.
If you
Timing item 4.
Item 3. Council is not. Item 3. Huh? No, item 3 is also there. Okay. Yes, Chetri?
I'm sorry, my lord, when the matter was called for, I was not there, my lord.
Doesn't
Extremely sorry, my lord.
But my lord, I am appearing for respondent number 4. Senior counsel, Mr. A.K. Purkasth is supposed to argue, my lord.
Mm.
I have just received information that he's out of station. He's at Arunachal Pradesh, my lord. This matter may come up after, immediately after vacation, my lord.
Yes, Chetri? Okay, heard Mr. B. Chetri, learned counsel for the appellant. On request made on behalf of A.K. Purkayastha, learned counsel appearing for respondent number
5
5. List the matter on.
on 4th, my lord.
Now that those 3 days are all full. 10th,
Yes, my
10th January.
lord.
10th.
Item 3,
Is there any urgency in this matter?
Sorry, my lord, in the first call I was not present.
He was present, you were absent.
Yes,
Now
I
you're
was not
present,
present.
now
He-
you're present, he is absent. So,
I have met him, learned counsel for the petitioner on the way out. My lord. He was in a hurry. He was going. He is here.
yes, what is your case?
Lordship, here actually the thing is that I owe to the bank of rupees 22 lakhs which they have asked for it. There is no dispute over it. Surface action they have initiated. There is also no dispute for it. I acknowledge it. Here what happened is that I had got a current account in the Punjab National Bank. So now the thing is that the balance in my current account is of 35 lakhs right now. And my due is of 22 lakhs. Now what happened is that there is another civil case is going on in the civil judge court of Dibrugarh with some pro forma defendants. So they said that some amount is due from us to them. So the bank has blocked it. My only contention was before the DRT was that there is one specific provision in the SURFACE under section 26E. In such situation, what to do? Who has got the priority? I said to the bank, I said to the bank, the amount is in your hands only. 26E says that the priority is with the banks only because this is a public fund which the bank has given to me. So I have applied for the stay for the physical possession so that the SURFACE application may be done actually, and we can state that the amount is of the bank. 22 lakhs is due, 35 is there. And section 26E has been inserted in this act on 2016. So my humble prayer to the bank was there and to the DRT is that, sir, this is the amount with you. You have got the control of this one. The amount is there. Please don't take the physical possession as of right now. Vacations are also being will be there. And the thing is that it is not like I don't have to got the amount as of such. I have got the amount. The custody of the amount is with you. I say to them, you deduct it, sir. You have got your right. The statute says so. That you have got your rights, sir. Deduct it. And the thing is, as a civil code, the code, I don't want to go into the details of this one, but the civil code also under section 34 of this act, actually, they doesn't have any power under the SURFACE Act. And the case which my pro forma defendant has filed against me, and that case also the pro forma defendant is the bank also. They have also stated to the court, the civil judge Dibrugarh, we have also got a due from that particular gentleman. So the case is going on. So my humble prayer is that the next date of the essay is of 22nd of February, 23rd of February. Till that time, I may be protected. That's my humble prayer. The case is going on the DRT itself.
But how can this be done in a writ petition, man? He files an essay in the DRT. He does not get an interim order there. So can he come, my lord, by way of a disguised appeal in this honorable court under Article 226, my lord? Under what law, my lord? This is unheard of. I do not get an order. Let us say, for example, I do not get an order, my lord, which is to my liking in the code below. Can I come in a writ petition, my lord, asking for an interim order? Effectively, my lord, the DRT would be said to have declined his prayer for an interim order because the IA that he has filed, which is on record before your lordships, that is still pending before the DRT. No, rightly or wrongly, the DRT has not passed any order. Now, can your lordships, my lord, entertain what is, my lord, in a disguise, an appeal against that order of the DRT, or rather, no order of the DRT, and pass an order, my lord? This is totally bypassing the alternative remedy, my lord, under section 18 of the Surface Act. So this cannot be, this is not a case for interference. And as far as the other account is concerned, my lord, there is a dispute in that account which is there in the Buliajan branch. That is, I have no authority to proceed under the Surface Act under that account because that account is not, my lord, mortgaged. That has nothing to do with me.
Yes.
So I'm coming under the Article 227, where the High Court has the supervisory over the lower courts, the tribunals, and everything.
Then, my lord,
The-
the roster demands that this matter should go before the appropriate bench.
Yeah.
227 is not, my lord, the roster of your lordships.
This will have to go. before the-
Surface
No.
action has been.
You have an alternative remedy. Why don't you go before the tribunal?
The appellant tribunal, if it seems, the tribunal we had gone there. Tribunal, we had gone there.
Tribunal, he has gone.
I have-
Tribunal
I have
has
gone
not
tribunal.
entertained his prayer for interim relief.
What we have
Seeking
gone is
that
the-
interim relief, he comes here before your lordships, my lord. This cannot be done, my lord.
I'm just praying for this thing is that my amount is there, 26, he says that he, the
No,
priority.
no, that is the different thing. You
My
first
lord.
have to satisfy this court. How can we entertain this writ petition?
My lord, the matter relating to the Surface Act actually. Surface action has been, the surface action has been done.
See, your prayers were rejected by the DRD, by the tribunal. And then you're coming by way of a writ petition. How can we have it? You think about it, you will list it on the opening day.
Till the opening, I may be protected. If,
How can we pass an order of protection when we are not sure whether we can entertain this writ petition?
if my lord says so, then I've got nothing to say, but I wish that till the opening of this day, because now the vacation will be go till then, till that.
No, I'm saying we'll open it we'll list it on the opening day. You think about it.
Oblige my lordship. That is the only remedy which I'm having of right now before the court.
First made by Mr.
Ayat Majumdar.
Then account of the petitioner, list the matter on. We'll have it on third.
Lordship.
Lordship.
Oblige.
My God. Lord. Dismiss.
I'm obliged.
Item 2 to 5. Item 6.
The impugned order dated 11/4/2022 and letter dated 5/5/2022 is set aside. And the deputy commissioner is direct to come to a final on the basis of the inquiry. ये करके आओ